Hlaswa ba mbone, hlaswa ba mbo. -5. Knock knock. Come in.
Good morning, madam.
Yes, good morning.
I come to say you call me.
Hey, go bitsitse. A go tshwara mona. Ke mosebetsi wa hao wa utlwa. Ke batla go ngwana ka go ntwetse gona o nahana ka mosebetsi o utlwa. O shebe, o nke nako ya hao ebe wa ntwetsa gona o nahana ka ona.
Can say you're not happy.
You're not happy. Why?
Madam, I come to say I'm going.
Why are you not happy?
To work.
Hana re ne re dumelane jwang ha o khutlela sekolo mo Matema?
I came to say I'm going to work very hard.
Oh, you're going to work very hard, akere? Is that what you call working very hard, Matema?
No.
No. It's not, akere? E ke mahlabisa dihlong ntwe ngwanaka. Ke mahlabisa dihlong. Wena o ntshisa ka kolosena kaofela. Ke o nkile o tswa lenyalo ngwanaka. Ke nahana hore o tlotla o fetoile empa Matema. Look at that. O ipaseditse Sesotho fela ngwanaka. Ke yona working very hard ya go pasa Sesotho fela. Kana kwa re wa pheta. Ke go hopola wa pheta. A ke re wena o go tlo utlwisise ntho o tlame go e phete. O pasitse Sesotho fela mo. Ke yona fela ntho e tseba mona sekolo. Tsela tse dingwe Matema. O tlo fetola boemo bone.
Madam, I wanna work harder when winter classes are coming.
When winter classes are coming, Matema. O tile, o tlotla o fetola boemo bo when winter classes are coming. Kana kwe. Wa hlokomela go ka mora phomolo ya Maria fela e chaile. Di tla be di tloa mana exams cancel. Ngwana le ngwana a tlame go jole a ngole. Wena go gona o ntse gore winter classes are coming. Ka Sesotho ngwana ka o lo kena ka sona fela. Matema itekole. O etsa mafunya ya tle mo. Ntloetse ke a bona lona.